Today I am reviewing the Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple AirPods 4 wireless earbuds are a true evolution in personal audio, combining sleek design, incredible sound, and cutting-edge technology for an immersive listening experience. Redesigned for all-day comfort, the AirPods 4 feature a refined contour and shorter stem, making them more stable and secure in your ears, whether you're commuting, exercising, or simply relaxing at home. Every detail has been thoughtfully engineered to ensure comfort without compromising performance. One of the standout features is personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. This technology creates a theater-like audio experience, placing sound all around you from music, movies, games, and TV shows. With this feature, your favorite tracks and entertainment come to life with precise directional sound that makes you feel as though you're right in the middle of the action. Combined with advanced computational audio, the experience is truly immersive and tailored to your personal hearing profile. When it comes to sound and call quality, the Apple-designed H2 chip delivers exceptional audio clarity and intelligence. Voice isolation ensures that your voice comes through crisp and clear during calls, even in noisy environments. Background noise is effectively minimized, letting you focus on conversations without distraction. Pair this with the effortless setup for iPhone, and you have a seamless experience where your AirPods connect instantly and stay synchronized across your Apple devices. The AirPods 4 also introduce several magical interactions that enhance everyday use. With Siri integration, you can simply say, "Hey Siri" or "Siri" to play music, make calls, or check your schedule hands-free. The new head gesture recognition allows you to respond to Siri by nodding or shaking your head, making control more intuitive than ever. Audio automatically pauses when you remove the earbuds, and you can easily share a song or show between two sets of AirPods, creating a shared listening experience that's effortless and fun. Battery life is another strong point. On a single charge, you get up to 5 hours of listening time, and with the compact USB-C charging case, total listening time extends to an impressive 30 hours. The redesigned charging case is over 10% smaller than the previous generation, making it easy to carry in pockets or bags while maintaining fast, reliable charging. Durability is also built in. Rated IP54 for dust, sweat, and water resistance, the AirPods 4 can handle rain, heavy workouts, and the rigors of daily life without worry. They're designed to keep up with your active lifestyle while maintaining performance and sound quality. Overall, the Apple AirPods 4 are more than just earbuds. They're a complete audio solution that blends comfort, advanced technology, and superior sound. From personalized spatial audio to the H2 chip, long battery life, and water-resistant design, they set a new standard for wireless earbuds, making them a must-have for Apple users and anyone who values premium sound and convenience on the go.